Dayco Systems, specializing in installation and service of all makes of residential and commercial heating, air conditioning systems, including home installation, to ensure temperature efficiency. Our goal is to build relationships with our clients by providing exceptional service and professionalism. We believe earning our customers' trust and confidence is the secret to continual success. With over 40 years of experience, ranging from residential HVAC to commercial temperature controls, it's safe to say that comfort is our specialty. Our team members are trained and up to speed on the latest industry standards and certifications. Investing in our team's education strengthens our commitment to our customers and to our team members to continually grow with our company. Dayco Systems, your comfort and peace of mind drives our success. We're committed to offering the best heating and cooling solutions suitable for you and your family.